Hello everyone, you're watching timesupindia.com. This is Pratyush Raj. Today we are going to talk about Dilip Trophy from August 28 in Bangalore. We'll take a deep dive. What does it mean for the Indian cricket team? Who are the cricketers who will like to grab this opportunity? Basically एक तरीके से एक ऑडिशन है इंडियन टेस्ट टीम में, खास करके होम सीरीज जो हम टेस्ट सीरीज खेलने वाले हैं वेस्ट इंडीज और साउथ अफ्रीका के खिलाफ एशिया कप के बाद, उसके लिए एक ये ऑडिशन होगा. एंड इफ यू वांट टू नो मोर अबाउट दैट यू कैन गो एंड रीड आवर कलीग प्रणव शुक्ला हैज dissected the key players who will be featuring in this Dilip Trophy and why it is important for them to grab this opportunity, because in the recently concluded Anderson Tendulkar Trophy we have seen there are one too many holes in that test playing 11. First thing first, बैटिंग की बात करते हैं. We have seen Shubman Gill scoring 750 plus runs, Rishabh Pant scoring this many runs, KL Rahul 500 plus, Jaiswal close to 500, but still there are two important places in that playing 11 जो मतलब kind of looked like we need a solid batter there. It was number 3 Sai Sudarshan, debut test. He must have been under immense pressure. And then Karun Nair was making a comeback after so many long years. Now we will be playing at home. तो उससे 2 पोजीशन खाली होते हैं, नंबर 3 और नंबर 6. जो सबसे क्रूशियल होगा अगर हम रैंक टर्नर्स पे खेलेंगे तो सबसे ज़्यादा क्रूशियल होने वाला है श्रेयस अय्यर हैज बीन हार्ड डन. ही हैज बीन इन न्यूज़ फॉर ऑल द रीजंस. सो हैव बीन इन द एशिया कप स्क्वाड. टेस्ट में जिस तरीके से हमने ड्रॉप किया वो भी गलत था पिछले मैनेजमेंट का. बट दिस दिलीप ट्रॉफी विल बी अ चांस फॉर श्रेयस अय्यर. तो सब कुछ को ख़त्म करके एक नए सिरे से स्टार्ट करें. इफ़ यू कैन गेट कपल ऑफ हंड्रेड्स बिग स्कोर्स, ही विल बी batting at number 6 ahead of Karun Nair against West Indies for sure. Then number 3 Abhimanyu Easwaran होंगे. उनके लिए भी एक होगा to just after sitting out for so many test matches, warming the bench, carrying the drinks. He's a perfect team man, but he'll need to score run again to prove himself. But number 3 पे there will be a key fight between Rajat Patidar, Devdutt Padikkal and Abhimanyu Easwaran. And you can include Rituraj Gaikwad as well, because in the last domestic season मिडिल ऑर्डर में बैटिंग करने महाराष्ट्र के लिए उतर गए. बट ऋतुराज गायकवाड को लेके हमेशा से थोड़ा अभी रेड बॉल का गेम उनका कैसा है नहीं है उतना ये नहीं हुआ है. बट देवदत्त पडिक्कल हैज प्लेड फॉर इंडिया, मेड एन इम्प्रेसिव डेब्यू इन धर्मशाला. एक टेस्ट खेले वो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में जहाँ वो अच्छा नहीं कर पाए. साई सुदर्शन पिकिंग ऑर्डर में ऊपर चले गए. साई ने कुछ खराब नहीं किया, बट they need competition at that place, because number 3 in test is again going to be very important. How can we forget सरफराज खान? अगर हम अभिमन्यु ईश्वरन की बात कर रहे हैं तो सरफराज खान की भी बात करनी जरूरी है. इंडियन कंडीशन में सरफराज खान, I think even in Anderson Tendulkar Trophy on those pitches, I personally believe both Shreyas and Sarfaraz could have scored run, because mostly it was a flat track, batting that oval one and Lords में थोड़ा सा. तो सरफराज के लिए भी एक अलग होगा, another opportunity just to take that door down. ऐसा नहीं है कि उन्होंने पहले नहीं किया है, वो फिर कर सकते हैं. He just know how to score run and he's looking leaner and maybe a bit more meaner. You just can't put him out. So keep your eyes on Shreyas Iyer, Sarfaraz Khan, Devdutt Padikkal and Abhimanyu Easwaran. सबसे बड़ी बात एंडरसन तेंदुलकर ट्रॉफी में जो निकल के आई, the workload management. एक तरफ से मोहम्मद सिराज 186 over he bowled. आकाशदीप was player of the match literally for me, but someone player of the match मिला एजबस्टन में taking 10 wicket, but he broke down. जसप्रीत बुमराह के around ये कहा जा रहा है बार-बार कि he's picking and choosing, but multiple back surgery can put you in dark places, whether he wants to prolong his career and everything. So he played 3 tests, but who after Bumrah and Siraj? So we have seen Akashdeep doing well. Prasidh Krishna is still very raw, still don't know how to construct an over. Shardul Thakur is 35. I don't think Shardul Thakur will play another test for India because we are not touring. So where are the fast bowlers coming from? Mohammad Sami will have one last chance. I think Mohammad Sami still has that one last win in him. Mukesh Kumar will look to resurrect his career because he has gone down the pecking order. Not that he has done bad or anything, but it's just the competition. Arshdeep Singh, Harshit Rana, Khalil Ahmed, these 3 need to step up, including if Sami gets back to his rhythm. Even at this age, I strongly feel that Sami has 2 years of test cricket left in him. If India wants to win WTC, you need to have Sami there. Just workload manage कीजिए, pick and choose कीजिए where he's gonna play. If you are playing in India, Sami is a destructive bowler in Indian condition because he hits the wickets very hard and he is as good as Jasprit Bumrah, and or you can say Umesh Yadav in his prime in Indian pitchers. In spin department, I think India के पास there's so much luxury. Even with Ashwin retired, Ravindra Jadeja has proven again that he is वो अभी खेलेंगे, लंबे रेस के हो रहे हैं. Washington Sundar has come into his own in this series. Kuldeep Yadav has warmed the bench. Although Washi and Jaddu are not playing, but Kuldeep will be playing. He'll play one match before he'll leave for Asia Cup. Same goes for Arshdeep and Harshit also. But Kuldeep Yadav will be eager to prove his credential with red ball. Then, who are the next spinners? Harsh Dubey from Vidarbha had a fantastic season last year, 50 plus wicket. He can bat also, like replacement for Jadeja and Washington. So is Manav Suthar. He was also with India 8. So is Tanush Kotian. So there will be competition in there also. But do they have that ability to run through a team? Ran through the opposition, but we as a fan are spoiled by the combination of Jadeja and Ashwin over the years, at least for a decade. Before that there were Anil Kumble and Harbhajan Singh. क्या वो क्वालिटी है वो बस समय ही बताएगा. एंड दिलीप ट्रॉफी इन जो मानव सुथार, हर्ष दुबे, कुलदीप यादव वो कितने मैचेस खेलते हैं, निशान सिंधु हरियाणा के यंगस्टर, इनके लिए काफ़ी क्रूशियल होने वाला है. बट फॉर नाउ दैट्स इट ऑफ दिलीप ट्रॉफी. द फ्यू अगेन आई जस्ट रिपीट माई सेल्फ, द फ्यू की होल्स इन दैट इंडियाज टेस्ट लाइनअप. एंड कम October when India will play against West Indies, we might see few changes there, and there are places up for grab. Only time will tell कि कौन कितना सक्सेसफुल होगा इस दिलीप ट्रॉफी में. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and do hit that bell icon. For now, this is Pratyush Raj signing out.